Mufango wa atumia kuherwo ciana mathibitari-ini hatari marihi ukoretwo githingatwo thibitari-ini cia muingi tu. No riu utungata uyu ni ukwandanduka thutha wa thirikari kuutamburukia mathibitari-ini mamwe ma misheni na mandu kiumbe matanyihiire 5,000.
The program is expanding its network of institutions beyond the current 2,400 public health facilities to include 700 faith-based and several private health facilities.
This is to ensure that as many facilities as possible are able to be accessed by our mothers wherever they are, be it in Nairobi, be it in the rural areas.
Shiringi bilioni 5.4 ni cigitwo keheri-ini rungu rwa uramati wa NHIF niguo kurugamirira marihi ma mutumia mbere ya kuheo mwana, hindi ya guteithika, thutha wa guteithika na urigiti wa hinahi hari mutumia wina nda. Oho atumia matiririhagira ciana ciao kuheo njanjo.
As mothers, we are very excited because we can bring forth life without worrying about costs.
This program is yet another milestone in our journey towards universal, affordable healthcare coverage in Kenya.
Niguo mutumia akenerere utungata uyu arafatara o kibandi na angikorwo ndakinyite miaka 18 akahuthira kibandi kia murugamiriri wake. Ona gutwika mufango uyu ni ukenereirwo, thirikari ni uritio gutigirira utungata uria uraheanwo ni wa gikiro gikinyaniru.
Naita wito kwa magavana mashinani wapunguze tumbo zao, wazishone kidogo, wazipunguze, kwa sababu sisi tunataka huduma. Sawa matibabu, wizara tunajua kwamba kwa sasa hivi kuna hela kidogo kwa serikali kuu na zingine zazambazwa kwa serikali za kaunti, lakini sasa hivi kuna kishindo, vilio na kusaga meno kwa sababu ya madaktari wagoma.
Merutaniria maya matanyitwo guthie na mbere na kunyihia ikuũ cia atumia na ciana. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Monica Kagoni.